Modern utilities face a severe translation problem. At the physical layer, operational technology generates millions of volatile, noisy signals every day. But at the business layer, executives and finance teams need secure, auditable records to take action. The MONOTech platform addresses this fragmentation. It operates on a specific requirement. Raw telemetry holds zero value until it is transformed into decision-grade, auditable evidence. To understand this, we are looking at the Gardenia client simulation. This interface operates entirely on synthetic demo data, not live meters. This proof-before-promise approach allows teams to validate workflows and governance logic before risking live field integration. Data without strict governance creates liability and noise. Effective operational intelligence requires every reading to be backed by a verifiable chain of custody. The platform centers around the stakeholder role selector. Selecting a new role instantly recalculates the KPIs to match that user's context, though the underlying mathematical truth remains identical. Executives must distinguish between an observed value and a modeled value, which the dashboard strictly separates. This separation is enforced by the Vivo validity gate. A reading must pass 7 checks: identity, time, semantics, quality, context, freshness, and authority. If a telemetry packet fails any criteria, it is flagged and quarantined, blocked from being used for billing or control. Activating the live simulation mode causes the charts to update dynamically. This demonstrates how the Vivo gate processes continuous telemetry flow under load. Real-time utility data is only truly useful when its validity is mathematically proven before it hits the dashboard. Looking past the executive summary reveals the physical asset hierarchy. Every endpoint maps down a specific path, from zone to building to unit, down to the exact meter ID. If a meter goes offline, the system immediately flags it with an active attention state. Proactively exposing missing data prevents false operational certainty. To maintain trust, the platform identifies gaps rather than masking them. When an engineer provisions a new meter, simulated here with a synthetic endpoint, the action is permanently logged in the local audit trail for total traceability. Operational trust depends on absolute visibility into what is broken or missing, not just a display of what is working. Switching to the tenant role shifts the focus to the financial reality. The billing evidence panel provides the source of a customer's expected cost. An invoice calculates validated consumption by subtracting the opening reading from the closing reading, ensuring transparent traceability. The system tracks the complete recharge workflow. Inputting a payment amount triggers a simulated transaction success, updating the wallet balance immediately. This generates a digital receipt with a traceable reference number, locking the event into the financial reconciliation ledger. This architecture simulates integration with a hosted payment provider. The platform itself stores no credit card data. Ultimately, billing is a mathematically reconciled, unbroken chain, linking physical meter readings directly to digital financial receipts. When anomalies occur, the system filters out the noise. The Alerts and Cases module displays prioritized contextual events with specific confidence scores. Every alert carries 4 attributes: the evidence, the consequence, an assigned owner, and a clear next action. We can test this by manually injecting a synthetic anomaly into the data stream. The system instantly registers the event, flags the specific meter, and cues the investigation protocol. At the macro level, this logic drives revenue assurance. The interface compares incoming bulk energy against validated sub-metered consumption to identify unresolved balances. Discrepancies trigger an investigation ladder, where engineers validate interval time alignment, missing data, and physical topology. Balance first, classification after evidence. True revenue assurance investigates discrepancies procedurally. It does not automatically accuse users of loss or theft without concrete proof. Reporting is a governed workflow. Generated reports carry version controls, identified sources, and a status field indicating when human approval is required. True paperless operations consolidate identity, versioning, evidence tracking, and approval status into a single record. These boundaries extend to artificial intelligence. The system generates governed recommendations with calculated confidence scores, but remains strictly read-only. A human operator must authorize the response. When they do, decision memory captures the entire life cycle: the question, evidence, authority invoked, and the action taken. While artificial intelligence scales insight, only human authority can scale accountability. Beneath the user interface lies the data foundation that powers this logic, visible in the sample database module. While this simulation runs on an in-browser database, a live production deployment relies on secure time series storage and SQL architecture. This architecture is required for live deployment. Physical meters send signals to an edge gateway, which buffers data before passing it through the Vivo gate, feeding the digital twin and reaching human authority. Physical infrastructure is protected by strict operational to IT network isolation. Scaling demands a rigorous engineering roadmap. It requires a discovery workshop, a comprehensive site survey, precise protocol validation, and a controlled proof of value. The MONOTech methodology is consistent. Measure physical reality, validate the data, understand the context, act with authority, verify the results, and learn from the outcome. Governed intelligence provides a verifiable bridge from raw utility signals to concrete business outcomes.